this video, we're going to look at how to use Nearpod's Google Slides add-on to create engaging and interactive lessons for your students. So once you have your Google Slides already created here, you're simply going to go into your Google Slides. You're going to click on Add-ons. You're going to go down to Nearpod and say Open Nearpod. Now, if it has been a while since it has been opened, you will need to just simply click on Login with Google, and it will take you right into your Nearpod. So as you can see, all of the activities that you normally see inside of Nearpod are available to add into your slides. So I'm on slide number 1 here, and I'm going to add an activity, an interactive activity to go right after slide 1. So I'm going to select slide 1, and I'm going to come over here, and let's say that I decide I want to add a draw it activity. This will open up. You can simply add your instructions in here, whatever information you want to share with your students. You could add images, audio, video as well. Once you have this filled out, you will simply then click on Save, and it will save your Draw It activity into your Google Slides. As you can see, it has a little placeholder right here for that activity. Now, if I decide I want to add a draw or another activity, maybe I want a different one to go after slide 3. I'm going to click on slide 3, and I can come over here, and maybe I want to add I'll just do a collaborative board. You can select any of these activities that you would like to add. I'll just grab that one. You would enter your information here as well, and then you simply say Save, and it will embed that activity. Once you have built your Nearpod into your Google Slides, you are ready to now, I'm going to drag this down so you can kind of see it over here. Down in the bottom right corner, you will see where you can edit the slide, but after you have built your Nearpod, you will simply click on Save and go to Nearpod, and it will add that in. Now, let me go ahead and make sure I have allowed all this. There we go. And as you can see, it is embedding or putting that slideshow into my Nearpod library. Now I am ready. I can actually come and launch it. Now, you would not ever launch the Nearpod activity or lesson from inside Google Slides. You will always go to your Nearpod and launch it that way. The cool thing about this is if I am over here and I decide that I need to edit this, so let's say I am over here, I'm going to edit this and make any changes. See how it's telling me over here? I can say edit this lesson here, and it will edit. So let me add something in. Let me add and I can add my question, and I can put my choices here, and I can say save, and now it is adding it in here. Then I would have to say save and go to Nearpod, and it would update that inside of my Nearpod, and it would save all the changes. Okay, and that is how you embed and add your Nearpod activities into your Google Slides using the Nearpod Google Slides add-on.